Climate change and biodiversity loss are arguably the greatest environmental challenges currently facing humanity. But while carbon markets are beginning to stimulate action to reduce and offset emissions, similar markets for biodiversity are rare, and current levels of nature conservation funding are not enough to protect and restore biodiversity. This disparity means that maximising carbon benefits from reforestation and avoided deforestation can take precedence over getting the best results for biodiversity from these same actions. An important forest for biodiversity conservation could be destroyed because it stores less carbon, and reforestation could use species that provide little or no biodiversity benefits. Restoration of remnant woodland and forest, such as grazing pressure management, weed control, and preventing firewood collection, could offer a way to provide both carbon and biodiversity benefits without the undesirable trade-offs. But can it work? Can we use carbon markets to produce measurable benefits for biodiversity by restoring remnant woodlands and forests? To find out, researchers from the University of Adelaide crunched the numbers on price and outcomes for a real-world biodiversity conservation market in South Australia's Mount Lofty Ranges and the Australian carbon market. It turns out that existing carbon markets can pay for restoration of remnant woodlands. This means both carbon and biodiversity benefits, led by biodiversity conservation needs and paid for by carbon offsetting. Win-win. Biodiversity and carbon markets can be stacked like this to greatly increase the extent of biodiversity conservation gained from the money already being directed to carbon markets.